Hey, this is Tim. I'm going to start doing something a little different on a few videos. Today, we got a 2011 Dodge Charger. I'm going to start doing the day-to-day life of an auto mechanic. And this one was complaint. Was oil leak. I had the oil changed. So they had an oil leak. So we're going to figure out where the oil is leaking from. It's like a little bit valve cover. These are notorious about the oil filter housing, but I've replaced this one on this car, so no, it ain't that. That was a while back, one of my videos. All right, we'll go. I don't see anything in the front. We'll get up underneath it and look. I don't really see no oil dripping from the top down. Oil pan, look too. See a little bit up there with the valve covers. Well, I do see a little up top, that's like I showed you on the valve cover, and I do see a little bit of seepage out of this trans pan. So it should be like this, the back side, how that's dry. You see how it's wet right there. It's not wet above it, so you know if it's not wet above it, it's not coming anywhere up there. So more likely it's that gasket's just wore out. Good to change these fluids, but you don't want to change them every 100,000. You want to be a little bit less than that, about every 30,000. He's got these solenoid packs in them that go notorious. They go out, they plug in right there. That plug's got a seal on it, leaks too sometimes. All right, so we'll probably, let's get up top. We'll probably tell the customer that the valve cover gaskets on this side are leaking. We can see it down there on the bottom. And when you do them, you might as well do both. Well, this one don't look like it's leaking now, but all right, we'll look it over a little bit more. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna start doing a little bit more kind of a vlog too. I mean, I'll still do my repairs, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a vlog too, where I kind of explain things and how things go every day with the automotive industry. Some people might be interested in getting into it. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.